Consider this is a capacitor, and here this is the positively charged plate and negative. This is plus Q and this is minus Q. And a dielectric of constant K and thickness T is placed between the plates of the capacitor. So here the electric field intensity is like this. In this direction, electric field intensity is like this, from positive to negative. The separation between the plates of the capacitor is D. Density air is, let it be E0, and the electric field intensity inside the dielectric of constant K and thickness T is opposite to the field E0, let it be E bar, that is equal to E0 by K. That is E0 by K. The dielectric of thickness T is placed between the plates of the capacitor. Now we need to find the new capacity. So here the potential difference between the plates of the capacitor from VED relation, V is equal to ED. But here two electric fields are there and two distances are there. One is air, how much distance the air occupied, and second one is how much distance the dielectric of constant K is occupied. So V is equal to ED. So E0 occupied a distance D minus T, plus a dielectric is occupied a distance E into T. E into T. So that E is nothing but E0 by K, D minus T plus E0 by K into T. So you multiply this one, E0 D minus E0 T plus E0 by K into T. So here V is equal to E0 is common in all the terms, then we'll get D minus T plus T by K. D minus T plus T by K. V is equal to E0 is sigma by epsilon naught D minus T plus T by K. So here V is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. So into D minus T plus K. But the capacity C is equal to Q by V is the formula. C is equal to Q by V is the formula. And here A is the area of the plates of the capacitors. Here sigma is equal to Q by A again, charge per unit area, into D minus T plus T by K. And therefore when a dielectric of constant K is placed between the plate, then the new capacity C dash is equal to Q by V. So Q by A epsilon naught D minus T plus T by K. So Q gets cancelled. Therefore C dash is equal to epsilon naught A by D minus T plus T by K. So this is the capacity of the parallel plate capacitor when a dielectric of constant K and thickness T is placed between the plates of the capacitor.